Give an open murderer!
You don't like me!
Oh, I'm angry! Oh, dark alley. This is not sound good.
Do anything stupid, and I'll throw you down the witching well myself.
I have a bad feeling he won't be here when I get back. This does not look particularly good. That chick from earlier is gonna be dead. I can feel it. Oh no. I guess his wife Fury is next. About fine. Her.
We had something very special.
Where's your brother?
Fuck you! Give me one good reason I should tell you anything.
Serial killer.
Oh my.
A serial killer? Oh God, and it's one of us?
Wait, the woodsman's still walking the streets.
We've got to put a lid on this. If you can't manage it, I'll find someone who can.
I found out where she's been staying.
I know she's here. You must have seen her. What are the two of you hiding?
Thanks. I'm not saying anything.
Doesn't matter. Maybe you just want to punish someone. We can arrange that.
What did you do?
Friend on friend. At the end of the end.
Jesus Christ, baby. Is that you?
Okay. Would be one of them, is it Tweedledee? Chapter 2. Where will this bring us?
Do something, Bigby.
Really dark.
Before he completely tears up the place.
Whoa, 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 hey, hey!
You've got something on your face.
Fuck are you talking about, you stupid cunt?
You're not as bad as everyone says you are.
Please, Bigby. Promise me you won't tell Beast you saw me.
I don't know, but you're gonna probably end up
Thank
dead
you
next if you're not the
for
murderer.
trusting me.
Have you seen my wife? Have you seen Beauty?
Come with me.
Don't interrupt me, Miss Snow!
You asked me a question.
Don't change the subject. You are to blame for this unpleasantness, Miss Snow. I'm D. He's dumb.
You're gonna tell me, right now, what...
Dad!
I'm looking for the woodsman.
Well, he's not here.
Ollie, you're out of paper towels and they're gonna string me up, Bigby. Like you said, it looks fucking bad. It looks really bad, but I didn't do it.
Alright, I got $100 for the first bloke that can tell me something about a girl named... Fuck, man!
This fucking lapdog. He comes sniffing around this poor rich fucks in the woodlands need a shakedown. Ain't that right, Bigby?
Now things are worse off than they've ever been.
Well, that's not true.
Painful the second
Right.
time around. Mm-hmm.
We've had it worse, but not by much.
What? What?
You're not as bad as everyone says you are. Please, Bigby. Promise me you won't tell Beast you saw me.
Now,
Now things are worse off than they've ever been. Not by much.
Telltale Games. I gotta say, they make good company. Many pretty decent titles.
Mr. Wolf!
Hold on.
You're making this more difficult than it has to be. If you just cooperate and answer the questions, you can go home. Maybe get some sleep. How are you feeling? I know it's been a long night for you. You look like you could use some rest.
I'll be better when I find who did this, which I can't do while sitting in here.
We all want the same thing here, Bigby.
No, you think
Look,
I did it, and
I know what you must be going through. Really, I do. But I could use your cooperation.
You don't know anything. If you did, you wouldn't be sitting here talking to me. You'd be talking to the piece of shit that did this.
Well, you stonewalling me like this isn't helping either of us, so why don't you cut the shit and... I'm trying to help you, Bigby.
Fine. What do you want to know?
What is it with you cops? Always trying to empathize with people. I know this must be hard for you. Do you? Do you fucking know? Have you had a friend killed and their head left at your fucking doorstep?
Ooh.
No? Didn't think so. Your nose is bleeding. Are you okay? You don't look so good. Detective Brannigan?
I'm Detective Brannigan.
Yeah, I know. I just said that. Is there something?
Something's wrong here.
Please. Please. I'm sorry. Just make it stop, please.
Why does everything die around me? Damn, dude.
We have to go now.
What did you do to her?
She'll be fine. It's just a memory wipe spell. Very expensive, but it works. The whole station will forget the last 24 hours and everything they saw at the Woodlands. Well, hurry up.
So now the grouchy guy's helping me. Okay. Walking away from the cops, this doesn't seem like the best idea, but... Guess I'm a detective or a sheriff? Anyway.
Thanks for bailing me out.
Certainly. We found Tweedledee chained up to a post. That was your doing, correct?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know why you detained him. Dee was at the Trip Trap when Snow was left at the Woodlands, so he couldn't possibly be involved in this mayhem. Bluebeard's currently interrogating him.
There's two of them, D and Dumb. And they've been snooping around every crime scene I've looked at.
That doesn't mean they're necessarily involved in the murders.
Yes, but what about Frode's place? That they went and looked at Humberjack's shit. Unless he's another undercover detective, what he's doing seems a wee bit suspicious, don't you think?
I know what you're thinking, Bigby. It's been one full night and a slice of morning, and I already miss her too.
Well, at least you do have a heart, even if you are a
No, I never get more
grumpy old
homesick
man.
when one of us dies. And now, for it to be snow, I've never been good with these sorts of things. I just can't believe this is really happening. Our stories used to be so simple. We had a beginning, a middle, and an end. But ever since we moved to this awful city, everything's gotten so confused. Did she, give any indication to what she was thinking? When you saw her last, I mean.
Oh no!